Hello and welcome again to Super Teacher channel. In this lesson we are going to take division properties of exponents. If you didn't watch the previous lesson, which is multiplication properties of exponent, I will leave the link in the description box. You can go back and watch it. Also, I explained before the negative exponent and how we change it to positive exponent in separate lesson. Also, I will leave it in the description box. But before I start, please, if you didn't subscribe the channel, subscribe and share it to other friends that they can also, it will be useful for them. Okay, let's start. So again, division properties of exponents. Okay, simplify means I want to make it simple as the simplest form. So it will be 12 t to the power 12 over t to the power of 7. Now in multiplication we said that if we have the same base, then I'm going to add the exponent. Here in division, if we have the same base, so I'm going to subtract the exponent. So it will be, I will put only t, only one t, then I will subtract 12 minus 7, so it will be t. 12 minus 7 is what? Yes, it is 5. So it is t to the power of 5. That's it. We are done. Okay, let's go to question 2. J to the power of 3 over j to the power of 8. Now, the same thing, I'm going to put the same exponent and I'm going to subtract 3 minus 8. Remember to put the exponent of the numerator first, then the exponent of the denominator. Okay, now it will be j. 3 minus 8 is negative 5. Now I cannot leave it negative because this is not simplest form, so I'm going to bring the j down. It will be 1 over j to the power of 5. This one is related to the lesson of negative exponent that I will leave it in the description box. Okay, done. Okay, let's see question 3. C is 3. C to the power of 3, d to the power of 2, c square, and d to the power of 5. Now I'm going to, here we have c and c, we have d with d. So I'm going to write c and I'm going to write d. Let's see c, it will be 3 minus 2, okay, and d, it will be d to the power of 2 minus 5. Now let's complete. 3 minus 2 is 1, so c to the power of 1, and d 2 minus 5 is negative 3. What I will do, I want to keep the c up and the d I will take it down, d to the power of 3. Why? To keep it positive, not negative, because here it is negative exponent. I'm going to change it to positive. Done. Let's see question 4. Here we took like these examples in the multiplication properties of exponent lesson. So I will repeat again here. If we have two exponents, one inside and one outside, I'm going to multiply by each other. So it will be x to the power 4 times 2, it will be 8, and x 3 times 5, it will be 15. Now here we have division, so I'm going to make only x here, the same base. I'm going to subtract the exponent. 8 minus 15, it will be 8 minus 15, it will be what? It will be 7, negative 7. So I cannot keep it negative, so I will bring it down to be 1 over x to the power of 7. Done. Okay, let's see question 5. 2 over 3 all to the power negative 3. Now this one is negative. How I will keep it positive? I will change I will take the 2 down and the 3 up. So we call it reciprocal. 3 over 2. Okay, to the power of 3, because we flip the numbers. The 2 came to the denominator and 3 to the numerator. Now the power is positive. Now I will distribute the exponent for the for the number that it's the numerator and the number in the denominator. So it will be 3 to the power of 3 over 2 to the power of 3. 3 to the power of 3 is 27 over 8. 2 times 2 times 2 and 3 times 3 times 3. Now we can simplify by make long division. It's enough for me until here, but if you want to complete, you can make long division and you find the final answer. Okay, let's see question 6. Negative all to the power negative all to the power negative 4 negative t over 3v all to the power negative 4. So I will keep the negative outside. I will do the same thing what I did before. I will flip the two numbers, so it will be 3b over negative t all to the power 4. Why? Because I want to change this to positive. Now I will distribute the 4 for all the terms inside the bracket. So it will be negative outside, don't forget. It will be 3 to the power of 4 b to the power of 4 over negative t to the power of 4. Okay, so what will happen? The negative will be outside. This negative is not included inside. It's not, I will not give the negative to the 4 to the negative 1 here, no, because the negative is outside. So 3 to the power 4 is 81 v to the power of 4 over negative t with 4, to the power of 4 means negative t times negative t times negative t times negative t. It will be positive t to the power of 4 because the negative will cancel each other. Because we have 4 negatives, so each 2 negatives will cancel each other, so the result will be positive. So that's it. I hope this lesson was useful for you. Please, if you didn't subscribe this channel, subscribe and share it to your friends so it will be useful for them. If you have any question, write it in the comment. Thank you. Bye bye.